Konnichiwa mga KaMochi! Welcome back to my channel! So for today's video is mag-unbox tayo. Yeah! Ayan, nakikita nyo naman, box yan. And nakita nyo na rin siguro sa thumbnail kung ano ba ang i-unbox natin. And yon. And samahan nyo ko na i-unbox itong aking iPad Air 4th generation in rose gold. So, this is the iPad Air 4th generation. This is my first ever iPad. Yeah, totoo po yung narinig nyo. First time kong magkaroon ng iPad. And yeah, why I choose to bought the 4th generation, the iPad Air 4th generation. It's because it comes with different colors. That's the first thing that I love about this. They have space gray, silver, rose gold, green, blue. Yeah, actually I want to get the green one, but it's not available. So yeah, that's why I choose the rose gold. And if you want to see more of this unboxing, just keep on watching. So, this is the iPad Air. Lightweight lang siya. Hindi siya ganun kagaang, hindi siya ganun kabigat. Sakto lang. It depends on you guys on how you will handle your device. And I got a 256 gigabytes Wi-Fi. You will choose from 64 and 256 gigabytes. Siyempre, yung pinakamalaking memory yung kinuha natin, yung 256, because as a YouTube creator, we have a lot of videos and pictures to edit. Alam nyo naman na sa phone lang ako nag-edit actually. And I only have the 11 Pro Max with 64 gigabytes and the 12 Pro Max with 128 gigabytes. So if you haven't yet watched my unboxing of my latest phones, just watch there on the link up. And yeah, this iPad is so good so far. So guys, if you want to see more of this, just keep on watching. So what's in the box of this iPad Air? Of course, the manual. Hindi mawawala yan. And ano pa ba ang hinihintay nyo? Hindi mawawala ang manual and the trademark ng Apple, the sticker. Ayan. And yan, manual pa rin. Pinakonti na yan, guys, actually. And then, it has also the USB Type-C charge cable, 1 meter, and 20 watts USB power adapter. So, this is it, guys. Ayan na. So, this is the moment of truth. Anyways, this iPad Air has rounded corners. When you measure diagonally as a rectangle, the screen is 10.86 inches, 10.86. But if you will see it as in diagonal, it will be 10.9 inches. And yeah, so may nakikita kayong 3 dots dyan. Yan yung para sa accessories, magic keyboard or the smart keyboard folio. So yeah, attach siya doon sa accessories na nun. Tapos mamamagnetize na siya. I bought this iPad at Yamada Denki store and it costs 86,680 yen. Yan, set up na natin siya. So while waiting for this, marami nagtatanong, mas mura ba daw bumili ng gadget dito sa Japan? Ang sagot is, yes, mas mura bumili ng gadget dito. Kasi kinumpare ko yung iPad Air sa Pilipinas, nasa 42,000 yung 256 gigabytes. Etong 86,000 yen, if ko convert mo sa peso, is nasa 38,000. And yon, ang laki ng difference. So, mga 4,000 pesos din. Kaya, mas mura ang bumili dito sa Japan. Pero, if resident ka dito, spend mo yon sa gadget. Malaking bagay na rin yun kasi laki ng tax din. And, if isa-save mo yun, mas malaking bagay. Char! Anyway, if magiging satisfied ka naman sa bibilhin mo, why not, diba? To spend and to make your life happy. So, there you go. Ayan, tapos na natin yung setup, guys, ang ating iPad Air. And I'm really excited to use and to explore what's inside this iPad. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you like this one. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, just subscribe na and click the notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga next videos ko. Alright? So, I'll see you again on my next one. Bye! Jane!